Alright, what's up? Alright, so basically what I'm doing right now is checking if the stream holds. Checking out if I can, let me just adjust this here a little bit. I'm seeing if I can make the infamous stream work without hesitation, and it seems like I can. So let's set some titles here. Chilling, checking out the markets for the coming week. So yeah, basically what I wanted to do was just check out if I could make the stream hold. So if you have been following me for some time, I've been having real problems with making the stream hold during that I am. Oops, sorry about that. During the reason for I am currently staying in my parents' guest house, and the internet has been fucked up. I'm actually gonna do like a mic test as well, or a sound. Yep, so the sound is good, which is cool. So yeah, nothing much happening here. I do believe I've been stopped out of a trade, so we can check that out. Show you my reasons for my. No, I'm still in it. Yeah, basically, if I take a look, if I show you guys the trade I just entered tonight, was a long here on the pound dollar. I just took a shot. That's basically what I did. I wanted to go long here. I actually couldn't go long based on this cipher pattern here, so I've been just waiting for a chance to go long, for things to set up. I got the opportunity here. You can maybe see it better on the lower time frames, but You can see we had a flag pattern right in here, which we actually broke through or are breaking through currently, the downside. So I managed to make my risk to reward work out, which is the most important thing for me. So basically it looks something like this, I believe, something like this. I do think that there is a high possibility of me getting stopped out here if we break this flaggish pattern here. We got the bull move here, got the move to the upside, got this flaggish pattern, and I decided to go long, basically just because, and you can probably see it better here on the 15 and on the lower time frames. Basically because I could hide my stops underneath here, underneath these structure points right here, and I was kind of hoping for a bounce off of this right here. So you can see how this looks here. We got higher highs and higher closes up here. Then we got into a range here, and we have currently broken through. And what I'm expecting is a move here, respect, and then we'll get stopped out. But of course, there is a chance that we might break to the upside. So I'm not gonna be moving my stops or taking off my position. I'm just gonna take the loss if the loss comes. So I haven't been really active streaming or making videos this last week. I'm gonna see if the title has updated here. I mean, basically, it's not that I haven't been trading. I've been trading. I've been doing okay. I've covered August. Basically covered August in pips. We lost about 700 or something pips in August. We've gained, or I have gained, about 700. I can tell you exactly here. I have it on the other computer. Let's see. September looks 708 pips in September, 794 in August. So I'm not quite there, but getting these 700 pips so early in the month, or I got the 700 pips. About the first 2 weeks were 397 pips and 310 pips. So these were the first 2 weeks of September, which was awesome. My last week I finished with 183 pips in profit. This week I'm down about 70 pips. So all in all, September is looking quite good. So I'm just gonna keep trading, keep doing my thing, and hopefully I'll end up. September will end up being a great trading month. If you watched some of my previous videos, I've talked about this August month, this horrendous August trading month for me. I've checked out some of the trades I've took and kind of diagnosed it a little bit. I haven't gotten quite into it yet. I'm not sure if that's the best thing to do. Let me fix the camera here. I mean, I'll probably do it at some point, maybe around the holidays, around December, when I sum everything up, take a better look at it. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing the reason for why August went the way it went was because of my I was impatient, basically. There were a few trades there which I'm not gonna say that I wasn't supposed to be in, but I could have avoided being in them if I had my head screwed on a little bit better. So I'm kind of it's a mixture of just the market not going my way and me maybe not realizing that I shouldn't really be trading with the market not going my way. So it's kind of like I've been losing so much. I so desperately wanna, get the gains back. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to explain, but especially when I can really I can justify most of the I think all but 2 of the trades I was involved with. So I didn't really. That's the hard part, because it's a lot easier if you can see I clearly broke my rules there. I shouldn't be in these trades. What are you doing? And that's the problem. You just diagnose it and you stop doing it, and that's that. That's pretty simple when you get the chance to just find and see the problem on black and white. I mean, in my case, the only thing I can say that, or I can see on this first look, is that there were some trades I could have avoided. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm at on this August thing. But like I told you guys, on the pound dollar, long pound dollar, expecting to lose about 30 pips here. Nice risk to reward, about 2-to-1, with the possibility of the extension to the 618 here off the off the cipher pattern. So this, I mean, if we can go higher right now, if I can catch a break here, this would be the possible extended targets here, about 228 pips. So I'm not gonna just take profit here. Hopefully I can. The market's gonna turn here and do a little trending action, so I can move my stops accordingly. Just follow the market. Hopefully that's gonna happen. But I gotta say, I'm a little surprised here. Yeah, there we go. I was gonna say, I'm a little surprised on how smooth TradingView is and how smooth the stream is going. And then obviously when I took a look at the stream, it was buffering, but it's holding now. So who knows? Maybe I found the perfect location for the internet booster. That was the whole problem, because I got great internet. I got the best internet the country has to offer, but the problem is that the main router is in the main house. I'm outside in the guest house, so the internet is not as strong right here, so I had to buy like a booster, and yeah, that's why I've been having problems. So I'm gonna check out how the YouTube stream is holding up. Live streaming. Oh. Let's check out the sound. Alright. Looks good. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of pleased. Maybe it's... I'm not gonna state that I found the holy grail of the positioning of the booster there, but maybe it's because it's 30 minutes past midnight here where I am, so everybody's asleep but me. So maybe that's why, because no one is using any computer but me. That could be it. But anyway, it's working. I'm pleased with that. That's fantastic. That makes me want to stream. I gotta be honest. One of the reasons for my lack of streaming and videos this week or last week was basically I just didn't feel like it. I mean, it's been a constant battle with this internet thing, and I just didn't feel like streaming or making a video. I don't know. I'm sorry about that if you guys were waiting for something like that. But obviously no one's here, no one's at the stream. That's cool. I know how this works. If I don't do the work, no effort shall be returned to me, or no reward. So that's an important thing, just to keep on doing, stream every day, and people will come if they like what I'm doing. So the other thing, I've been doing two things this week. I've been trying to finish up my my trading diary, and it's getting there. I'm getting pretty close. I'm designing the look, the Excel spreadsheet look, trying to make it less horrific looking in Excel. But most, if not all of the data, or not data, all of the information I want to have in the document. So it's a large document. It covers all the whole year. Calculates everything, every pair I trade, every pip, every dollar. It calculates days, losing days, winning days, day of the week, which day of the week I'm winning or losing. What else? Obviously it covers the percentage of everything by weeks and months, and what else? And then it's of course it sums everything up on a summary sheet. So it's pretty cool. I'm getting there. I'm getting pretty happy with it. I'm also thinking about the sheet for next year. So I'm gonna make it so basically all I need to do is just write in the numbers, and the sheet's gonna tell me everything I need to know. In my personal sheet, I'm gonna have the money management built into the trading diary sheet. So it's gonna be my money management sheet and my trading diary. So it's gonna cover every aspect of what I need when looking at the calculations and informations and stuff like that. And I have every fees or I take the numbers after every fees are covered. So so yeah, I've been doing that. And the other thing is that I've been checking out a replacement for Ninja Trader. That's kind of my next big thing. I think I'm gonna leave Ninja Trader and go on to pursue either what's the name? Trading Station, which is the platform for FXCM, or just use TradingView. I've used TradingView this week. I've taken 2 trades this week, and I can show you guys which. I took a trade on the Aussie Cat. We had a bat pattern here on the Aussie Cat, a large 4-hour pattern, and I'm just gonna show you guys by checking out the ideas here. Basically it's here, 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 and here, and we broke through. We kissed my stop, of course, and then we are currently heading lower. That's just how the cookie crumbles. So, but I took that trade on TradingView. It worked out nice. I like the information panel. You get a dome, and you get like a when you use this buy and sell. This is, I'm not logged in right now. This is not. I'm logged in on the other computer. Just gotta remember the number. I'm not gonna log in here. It's gonna. But anyway, you get this dome. You get this all these. When you click this buy or sell, maybe I can just do it. What happens if I click? Nothing. And you get this information panel. You can choose from. Do you wanna buy at market? Let's say we're gonna buy it or sell at market. And you can actually place in the stops and the limit or the targets either by price or by pips. You can trail. You can do cool stuff, and you can do it all by all on this web on this browser platform, which is super cool, because that's kind of what I was after when I first discovered TradingView. I really didn't know, or I didn't see why they didn't have their own platform, because the browser platform is so visual. It's so great. Here's the bat pattern. So that was yesterday. I think I've talked about this. This was a losing trade. Winner chicken dinner. This was a winner on the dollar cat, which was kind of nice. You can see right here how I nailed the stop, or how I nailed the targets. That's important, not to get too greedy. So I talked about this was the original target. This was the extended target. And you can see why. Here's where I take my profits. This was my main concern when shooting for extended targets. So see how it went. Boom, boom. Target achieved, and then we got higher. And I guess we could drop again, but we have been going higher and higher and higher. So we're probably gonna get some retracement, but if I were a gambling man, I would say tell that dollar cat is going higher. But I mean, sorry about that. But I mean, who's to say? Who's to say? Yeah. So I've been. I'm sorry. I just got distracted. I've been using TradingView, just trading straight on the TradingView platform, and I'm liking it so far. The other thing was Trading Station, which is kind of, I mean, isn't it called Trading Station? Trade Station. What's the name? I have it here. I have it opened. It's Trading Station. Yeah, so I tried that out. I got my I really like to have my charts a certain way, so that was the first thing I checked out when I got the Trading Station platform. Downloaded it, did all the thing, checked out if I could design my platform the way I wanted to, and I kind of did. So it's all connected. So before I entered along here, I entered on the other computer because I have this laptop as well, and I have the you can see it right here. No, if I do connect, then I'll lose this one. I don't have multiple connections. I should maybe do that. But anyway, I entered on this computer, and when I enter on this computer, my NinjaTrader enters as well, so I can hear or I can see the trade on NinjaTrader as well. So I can have both. I can have all if I want to. I can also see the trade on Trading Station. So I can enter on on all platform if I want to. I can enter on Trading Station and I can see the trade on TradingView, and I can see it on NinjaTrader, and vice versa. I can enter on NinjaTrader, see it on TradingView, see it on Trading Station. I mean, basically because it's all the same. It's all the same account, right? So yeah, that's the other thing I've been doing. I'm kind of liking this pin bar here. So hopefully we're gonna get some profits out of this one. We'll see. But yeah, that's the other thing I've been doing. Took like a day for me to figure out how to design my look on Trading Station. So, and also I've just been chilling, doing nothing. So it's not like I've been so super busy I couldn't make a 10-minute video. It's not like that. Like I said, I just haven't been feeling it, just because of the effing thing here. It's not really encouraging to do stuff when you're always having technical problems. I want to show you one more thing, and that's the Gartley pattern here on Euro Yen. We have a Gartley pattern right here. Boom, 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 boom. Looking something like this. So if you're trading the Gartley pattern, there is a possible setup here on Euro Yen. I'm kind of rooting for rooting for a push to the upside here, because I do like the level here. We can see it better on the 4 hour. 4 hour, you can see it right here. You can make a box starting from here, and we can cover all this area right here. Boom, boom, and we can take a lot of things into this area right here, especially this right here. Boom, 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 boom. So there is some structure in this area right here. I mean, it's a large area, so, but this could be the entry. Like I said, if I do like the level, I use the Gartley sometimes for an entry technique. So I don't trade the Gartleys every Gartley I see, but I do use them if I'm liking a level and I need to find a entry. I'll use the Gartley as an entry. So this is a possible short here on the Euro Yen. Other pairs, it's been a slow week. Didn't get involved right here. I mean, there was some obvious structure right here. I just didn't get any. I just didn't get the signal to short it. I mean, I guess this pin bar could have been my signal to short, but 26. One o'clock. I don't know why I missed that one. Yeah, but didn't get involved in that. I wanted to go long here on the pound. Finally did that. We'll wait and see what happens on that. This pin bar right here, I missed this one, but this would have been a nice entry right here. I missed it, so dollar yen, I don't know what this is. Yeah, I'm guessing we could go long here, but I'm gonna extend that. I'm actually gonna make a box, but there's not a lot of room in there. Let's see. Doom, doom, doom. So I would prefer a short here, and we could actually, let's check on 1 hour, see if we get a Gartley pattern in here. Yeah, it's not a butterfly, so this might be an entry as well. So we got the Gartley on Euro Yen, and we have another Gartley, potential Gartley on dollar yen. So pretty deep here, which gives me an excellent risk to reward. So we're just at the XLAC here. We're pretty. I mean, check your data. This could be a false Gartley, or maybe a butterfly. So here we have a, yeah, this is I was gonna draw this one in. This is a cipher pattern here, right here, right here. So we have a cipher pattern on the pound right here. So this is something I am interested in, really interested in taking this. I'm just gonna double check here if this is a cipher and yeah, we don't close above the 1414. So a valid cipher on the pound yen. And I'm actually gonna post this onto TradingView just when I finish this stream or this video. Euro yen, we got the Gartley, the New Zealand dollar. But I just want to make make a comment on if the market's gonna push higher on these yen pairs. It might not be the best idea to short all the pairs, all the yen pairs, because obviously they tend to move alike. So if you're gonna get a loser, you're gonna get a loser on all pairs. So I'm probably not gonna take the. I'm definitely gonna take the pound yen. I'm not so sure on the other two. But it's just a, I mean, it's not, I'm not saying don't take all three trades. Having three trades open is not the end of the world, but if it's in your range of what you can risk, so just have that in the back of your head. New Zealand dollar. I mean, I'm kind of liking this pin bar right here. Not much else. We do have some structure right here, so we've tried to go higher a few times on the 1 hour. But we're getting rejected here. We could be just continuing higher. Just a nice trend continuation right here. I don't really. It's not the best opportunity because we have a lot of stuff in here, right here. So I wouldn't really feel comfortable shooting for targets beyond this point right here, and that's just not gonna make a decent risk reward. So dollar cat, that's what I was talking about before. We've been making higher highs here, and we have actually closed above this right here. So this is where I took my targets before, right here. If you look left, there's the resistance or the structure I was talking about before. And you can see we've been making higher highs here. Boom, boom. Didn't quite make it here. Right here, right here, right here, right here. We did actually break right here, but a false breakout right here, and we immediately turned back up to the upside, and we've been making higher highs and higher lows ever since. So this might be a continuation, just higher. I would want to see a break of these guys right here, all this right here. So if the market's gonna continue lower, I would want to see a break of this right here. Boom. A pullback to right here, and then a continuation lower. So I think this is a trend line here. So here you can see this trend line-ish line right here, which would be a decent profit or a target. So if I was searching for profits or places to take profit, this would be a nice area for extending. I would actually move my stops right here. Again, this guy right here, and if you look more left, you can see more structure, but I wouldn't really feel comfortable shooting for anything lower than this right here. But I don't know, I'm just speculating right now. This is something that hasn't happened, so, but this would be a nice setup. Aussie CAD, obviously I got stopped out on the bat pattern right here. We've been, sorry about that, we've been extremely overbought here a few times. Last two times I'm sorry, not last two times, in the last 2 days. So this could be I mean, we could get a double top here, something that looks like a double top, break, boom, boom. I would actually feel comfortable shooting for targets down here somewhere. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna check this one out tomorrow when I wake up. If we have something, if we're gonna hold right here, this could be a opportunity to get a short. Set my targets above this high right here. That would not be the worst idea in the world. Hopefully get some divergence on the R side as well. That'll be pretty cool, but that's for tomorrow. I mean, we're on the 1 hour here. I'm not sure how the market's gonna move. We have basically the whole Asia session left, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna miss this, and I'm not sure if but if I'm awake and I see it, I don't know. We'll see. The Aussie dollar, kind of same going on here. Not as clear as on the Aussie CAD, but similar things here. I mean, basically we could be heading higher, or we could be heading into a double top. This would not be a double top for me, but a double top-ish area. But the thing I'm interested in, and why I would actually take this, is if I look left, probably see it better on the 4 hour. This right here, right here, right here. These are obvious points of structure, resistance, support. In this case would be resistance. So the market comes up into this area and goes down, kind of breaks through right here, but then right here comes up and gets down. We come up right here, we kind of get a little blob here, push higher, and then we drop, and then we get there again, drop, and we're at this point right now. we got this nice looking pin bar right here. So the only thing that is concerning is that we kind of have these two levels here a little higher, so you might have to take it a few times. Obviously the highest level here is the most appealing, but you can see right here as well, boom boom. So this is a, I would say that from here to here would be an interesting level to short the Aussie dollar, US dollar. Where inside this green box, I am not too sure. I'm wondering. No. So that's why I said you might have to take it a few times, but if you can make it work, I mean, I don't think it's a bad opportunity to take it on the 1 hour here. Just because you can hide your stops above this guy right here. It's not for me. I mean, for me it looks just like a higher high, higher close, a pullback, and then the market's going to continue higher, right? But if the Aussie CAD and the Aussie dollar are correlating, this, you can see it better right here. You can see it better right here. And this would be a double top for me because I would take it from here, and we did not touch the 38. So the big question is, well, do we have the same structure looking left? And that is actually a valid question, so why don't we take a look? Obviously we did close above this guy right here, but if we have something looking left right here, like this guy, which is higher, we might need to go a little bit low, a little bit. And oh my god, this is a disaster, this chart. Son of a bitch. I don't see anything. Okay, the green line is where we're at, so the green line. Let's add into the cluster here. I mean, there's definitely some structure looking left, definitely, but I'm kind of looking for these obvious points. So I don't think it's a bad opportunity. Like I said, we definitely do have some structure looking left, but I would think that this would be a better opportunity. So I'm not gonna be too eager to get involved here. I think we could push higher all the way. If we're gonna get a drop here, we could push higher. So, but like I said, don't get me wrong. It is what it is. It's a okay opportunity. I mean, it's a double top with, there is some structure. It's not major structure or obvious points, but definitely some structure. So that's it. That's it for me. I'm just checking out the stream here, and I just realized that it's not on. But it's on. We're on YouTube, so I guess I'm on. But yeah, that's it. That's it for me. Thank you for joining me in this short night stream for where I am at. So ahead of us is the Asia session. We'll wait and see what happens during that session. I am currently long on the pound, not going my way. So yeah, I'm kinda expecting this to get stopped out, but I really wanted to go long here on the pound. So we'll wait and see what happens. For the next stream or the next video, what day is tomorrow? Wednesday. I'll probably try to stream on Thursday. I think I'll be able to stream on Thursday. So for you guys that would like to see the stream, you can just follow me on the platforms, Twitter, TradingView, YouTube, and stuff like that, and I'll probably notify the people before I go live. I didn't notify anything or share this because I just basically wanted to see if the stream would hold, and I'm guessing it did for at least on YouTube. So that's nice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, or if you join me on the stream. I can see there's a couple of people watching, so thank you for stopping by. Hope you have a fantastic trading week, and hopefully I'll see you guys on Thursday. Adios.